they'd get opportunities to learn loads of new skills, to develop their experience base so that they can have real skills, so that when they go on to get further paid employment, they can actually say, I've done this and I know how to do it and I've run it. And it gives a real confidence, whether that's conservation work or whether it's working with children.
My name is Freya and I work for TCV doing sessional work, mainly doing education work. I feel inspired to come and do this because I really like seeing how much of a difference it makes to kids when you can see how happy and excited they are being out in nature.
Every time you take one hand off.
Places that we've gone into, like here for instance, used to be an industrial wasteland before we got hold of it, and our teams of volunteers over the years have transformed it into amazing pond habitats. We've planted loads and loads of saplings that are now really established woodland. We've made footpaths so that people can wander through and access it. There's wildflower meadows, and we've got fruit gardens and vegetable gardens, and we keep bees, and we do all sorts of amazing things that made a huge difference to the environment for wildlife, but also for the people too.
The barrier which a lot of people experience is not being able to have enough money to support themselves while they are doing it. So they often have to juggle that with part-time work, which is really exhausting for them, or often they end up having to stop volunteering because they can't make ends meet.
Joining in with other people to learn how to get these actual real-life practical and hands-on skills is a brilliant thing to do.